Quantum computers are extremely intriguing, which makes them simultaneously both interesting and enigmatic, but also extremely complicated and difficult to get right, which makes the company IonQ so interesting because they have indeed gotten a lot right. So today, let's take a look at the latest news from the quantum computing company IonQ, because I know it's been a while since I've updated you guys. Because recently, there was a major win for IonQ, and I think this could be the start of an incredible journey for this company. They've just been recognized in Newsweek's Excellence 1000 Index as a champion of business excellence. But what does this exactly mean for IonQ's future, the quantum computing industry, and most importantly, its stock? Well, first off, the Excellence 1000 Index is Newsweek's list of companies that are absolutely dominating in business excellence. From innovation and sustainability to customer satisfaction, this index highlights organizations that are basically setting the gold standard in a way. For IonQ to make this list, especially in such a cutting-edge field like quantum computing, it's a pretty big deal. It's a recognition of their leadership, strategy, and vision in a space that's still defining itself. And this isn't just some dumb award that you can hang on a wall. This is validation from a major publication that IonQ isn't just another tech startup, they're a serious player in the business world. This boosts their reputation with investors, partners, and even governments looking to support quantum tech. Basically, recognition like this helps IonQ stand out in an industry that's highly competitive and still developing. Now, let's talk about quantum computing for a bit. We've all heard that this tech has the power to change everything, from solving problems in minutes that would take traditional computers millions of years, to optimizing industries like logistics, healthcare, and finance. And while in reality, we're still years away from quantum computers being used for everyday tasks, it's companies like IonQ that are not only early to this growing industry, but are helping to set the standard for this kind of technology in the future. IonQ is at the forefront of this revolution, with their unique trapped ion technology that's setting new benchmarks in performance. Also, being named to the Excellence 1000 Index signals they're not just innovating, they're scaling. And that's honestly key to staying ahead in the quantum computing industry. So how does this impact IonQ's future? Well, this recognition comes at a time when quantum computing is still gaining some momentum. Right now, governments and corporations are pouring billions of dollars into this research. So by being acknowledged as a leader in business excellence, IonQ is positioning itself as a trusted name for collaborations and more funding opportunities. It's the kind of credibility that opens doors for long-term growth and partnerships. But let's tie this all back to the stock market. IonQ's stock has already seen some explosive growth in 2024, as lots of investors bet really big on quantum's potential. And I think recognition like this adds another layer of confidence for shareholders. It tells the market that IonQ isn't just hype, they're building a sustainable, well-managed business, even if full industry use of these computers is several years away. And while the stock can and will be volatile in the short term, long-term investors should pay attention to these milestones because they signal stability and growth potential. But here's the real question, is IonQ a buy right now? Well, if you believe in the future of quantum computing and are looking at this as a long-term play, I think IonQ is a really solid bet, especially if you start dollar cost averaging in very, very slowly. Because like any emerging tech stocks, there are plenty of risks, and this stock has already run up so much that an inevitable sell-off is most likely going to happen before the stock skyrockets again. The industry is still in its early days, and competition is fierce right now. So do your own research and keep an eye on how this company continues to execute. And if you found this video interesting and want to learn more about this company, I highly recommend checking out this video next, where I go over how NVIDIA and IonQ are working together to change the future of computing. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.